अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों आज हम एक लेसनेबल स्टोरी पढ़ेंगे। इसका नाम है नेवर गिव अप, कभी हार नहीं माननी है, जो कि लाइबा खान के हाथों लिखी गई है। और मुझे उम्मीद है ये स्टोरी आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी और आप एंजॉय करेंगे। मेरे साथ जुड़े रहें लास्ट तक। स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ है। इन हैदराबाद, द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी ऑफ सिंध, there lived a boy who went by the name of Hamza. He was the second of four siblings and a student of grade 8. He was not good at a few subjects, namely biology, mathematics, and physics. Though, जबकि Hamza was exceptionally well at all the other subjects that were put on his plate that year. Hamza tried very hard to excel. Excel means किसी चीज़ में महारत होना। In those three subjects, but every time he tried, he failed to achieve that particular goal of his. Second para पढ़ते हैं। In his family, there were many people who had a background in biology and were doing very well in their career. Seeing such a scenario around them, Hamza's parents decided that all their children should study biology. The boy did not go against his parents' decision because he was an obedient Farmabardar child who believed that the decision one's parents make for their children is always right. थर्ड पैरा पढ़ते हैं दोस्तों। Whenever Hamza had his weekly assessments results, his parents would scold means dantna, him for not obtaining good marks in the three subjects he was weak in. His parents would often be called to the school so that Hamza's educational problems would be discussed. पैसिव यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे दोस्तों। That too never resulted in much use as his teachers would enforce their opinions on him. Instead of listening to him, the boy became more upset as the days passed. Fourth paragraph. He knew that if he took biology out of the equation, he would be able to focus on mathematics and physics in a much better way. A lot of effort was required to excel in the two subjects, but the fear of not being able to score well in biology drained Hamza of his energy. Drained means बहना। कोई चीज़ जब बहती है, जैसे पानी बहता है वैसे। Deep inside, the lad means young, नौजवान, knew what he really wanted, but he never had the courage. Courage means himmat to speak up for it. He enjoyed computer related activities. He had friends in school who studied computer studies, and Hamza always listened carefully whenever his friends talked about computer related stuff. He knew he should be studying computer instead of biology. दोस्तों मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब का बहुत ही शुड का पैसिव यूज़ हुआ है यहाँ पे। कमाल का पैसिव है। पैराग्राफ 5 फिफ्थ। एंड वन डे हमजा बिकेम फेड अप। फेड अप फ्रेजल वर्ब है जो कि फीड अप से निकला है। इसका मतलब है कोई चीज़ देना, टू गिव। विद द पुअर रिजल्ट, the constant scolding and the unnecessary pile of opinions means bundle of opinions being thrown at him. He must mustered up mustered up दोस्तों मसर अप जो के मसर अप से निकला है, इसका मतलब है टू कलेक्ट, कोई चीज़ कलेक्ट करना, गैदर करना। द करेज टू टॉक टू हिज पेरेंट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस इशू। As he tried his best to explain his point to his parents, his siblings spoke in support of him too. Sixth paragraph पढ़ते हैं दोस्तों। Though the parents were confused at what they were hearing, they agreed to change Hamza's major from biology to computer studies. The boy's face lighted up with pure joy as he heard his parents' approval. His eyes glistened. Glistened means कोई चीज़ चमकती है, उसे glistened भी कहते हैं, shining. With tears of happiness as he gave warm, cuddly hugs. Cuddly means lovable, also known as bear hugs, to his parents. Paragraph 7th. He was told by everyone in his house to do well now that he would be studying the subject of his choice. Hamza told them that they will be hearing of great results from his side within a month. Para 8th. As soon as जैसे ही he got enrolled in the section where computer studies was being offered, he tried his best to catch up with means move faster, becoming closer and then overtake all the previously taught work as fast as he could, and he was able to achieve his goal this time. Not only did he score exceedingly, दोस्तों exceedingly means बहुत ही शिद्दत से, well at his weekly test of computer studies, but he was also able to focus well in mathematics and physics. Para 9. It took him a few more weeks until he got a hold on those two subjects too. He then did very well in all his subjects. No energy of his was being drained, and Hamza was really happy with the way things turned out for him. He finally realized the key to ultimate happiness is in working hard and never giving up.